Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can autosave Instagram Reels to your device. So if you feel you want to save your Instagram Reels, a it's very easy. So for backup maybe. So before you start your Reels, you can tap setting at the top of your screens, and this is the camera settings. So you can tap on Reels. Here you can turn on save reels to device. Automatically save your reels to your phone, and reels be saved when you publish them. So if your reel uses audio that is not available for download, all audio will be removed from your saved reel. So your reels gonna be mute on your phone. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.